Here in this model, sum of the digits in tens place is equal to 10, and the units place is the same. Units plus digit is the same. Sum of the digits in tens place is equal to 10. Sum of the digit in units place is the same. Sum of the digits in tens place is equal to 10. Units plus digit is the same in both the numbers. Sum of the digits in tens place is 10. Units plus digit is the same in both the numbers. Here in this model, we multiply the units digits 8 into 8, 64, and the product of the tens plus digits 1 into 9 plus units plus digit 8, 17, 64 is the answer. Multiply the units plus digits 8 into 8, 64. Multiply the tens plus digits 2 into 8 plus units plus digit 8, 24. 24, 64 is the answer. Multiply units plus digits 8 into 8, 64. Multiply the tens plus digits 3 into 7 plus units plus digit 8, 21 plus 8, 29. So answer is 29, 64. Multiply the digits in units plus 8 into 8, 64. Multiply the digits in tens plus 4 into 6, 24. Add units plus digit 8 to this. 24 plus 8 is 32. So answer is 32, 64. Multiply the digits in units plus 8 into 8, 64. Multiply the digits in tens place and add units plus digit. 25 plus 8, 33. Multiply the units plus digits 6 into 6, 36. Multiply the tens plus digits 1 into 9 and add units plus digit 6. 1 into 9, 9 plus units plus digit 6, 15. Multiply the units plus digits 6 into 6, 36. Multiply the tens plus digits 2 into 8 and add units plus digit 6. We get 22, 36. Multiply the units plus digits 6 into 6, 36. Multiply the tens plus digits 3 into 7, 21 and add units plus digit 6, 27. 27, 36. Multiply the units plus digits 6 into 6, 36. Multiply tens plus digits 4 into 6 and add units plus digit 6. So 24 plus 6, 30. 30, 36 is the answer. Multiply the units plus digit 6 and 6, 36. Multiply the tens plus digits 5 into 5 plus the units plus digit 6, 31, 36. Here we have 3 in units place. The product is written as 0, 9. Product of 3 and 3 is 0, 9. So multiply the tens plus digits 1 into 9, 9 plus units plus digit 3. We get 12, 0, 9. Multiply 3 into 3 and 3. We get 0, 9. Multiply 2 and 8 and add units plus digit 3. 19, 0, 9. Multiply the units plus digits 3 and 3. So 0, 9. Multiply the digits in tens place 3 into 7 and add units place digit 3. So 21 plus 3 is 27. 24. 2409. Multiply the digits in units place 3 into 3. 09. Multiply the digits in tens place 4 into 6 24 and add units place digit 3. 2709. Multiply the units place digits 3 and 3. 09. Multiply the tens place digits 5 into 5 and add units place digit 3. 2809. Multiply the units place digits 2 and 2. We write 0 4. This you must be careful in writing this one. We write it as 0 4. Multiply the digits in tens place 1 and 9 and add units place digit 9 plus 2 is 11. 1104 is the answer. So multiply the digits into units place 2 into 2 0 4. We write 0 4. Multiply the digits in tens place 2 into 8 16 and add units place digit to 1804. Multiply the digits in units place 2 into 2 0 4. Multiply the digits in tens place 3 into 7 and add units place digit to 21 plus 2 is 23. So 2304 is the answer. Multiply the units place digits 2 and 2 0 4. Multiply the tens place digits 4 and 6 24 and add units place digit 2. 24 plus 2 is 26. So 2604 is the answer. Multiply the units plus digits 2 and 2 0 4. Multiply the tens plus digits 5 and 5 25 and add units plus digit 2. 25 plus 2 is 27. So answer is 2704. So here the principle is the sum of the digits in tens place is 10 and the units place digit is the same. Sum of the digits in tens place is equal to 10. Units place digit is 7. So we must be very careful in this case.